You may never think about it when you pick up a water bottle. It seems ordinary, transparent, lightweight, perfectly formed, ready to hold water. Ready to be used, ready to be discarded, millions of times every day. But every bottle has a story, a journey from raw plastic to the final shape. Moving through machines, people, and processes that are invisible to most. Every curve, every seam, every inch has been carefully measured, tested, and molded before it reaches your hand. Before the label, before the cap, before it enters your hand, there is a factory. A place where precision meets speed, where machinery hums in rhythm. Where temperature, pressure, and timing are monitored constantly, and where the invisible hands of process shape the plastic we take for granted. This is the beginning of that story. This is where everyday convenience is manufactured, where ordinary objects are transformed into perfect, identical replicas, ready to enter millions of lives every single day. It begins with tiny pellets of PET resin, white, smooth, uniform. They arrive in giant sacks, each carefully tested for quality. Imperfections here could compromise the entire batch. Consistency is everything. Workers pour the pellets into large hoppers. Gravity feeds them into automated conveyors. The pellets move silently, endlessly, toward machines designed to melt, mold, and shape them. Temperature is everything. Too hot, the resin degrades. Too cold, it will not flow properly. Sensors monitor every fraction of a degree, automatically adjusting heat and speed. The factory breathes with this precision, a silent rhythm few ever witness. Conveyors carry the resin upward, then downward, through channels, hoppers, and funnels, until it reaches the injection molding machines, the first moment when raw plastic begins to take shape. Molten plastic flows into molds, thick steel cylinders, each engineered with exact tolerances to create a preform. A small, test tube-like version of the final bottle. The surface glows slightly as heat radiates from the machinery, and the faint hiss of hydraulic pressure fills the room. The machines press, inject, and twist with synchronized precision. Seconds later, a line of identical preforms emerges, each one perfectly formed, smooth, and uniform. Sensors scan every curve. Cameras and laser systems measure shape, thickness, and clarity down to fractions of a millimeter. Any deviation is immediately removed from the line, discarded silently, unseen. For a moment, these preforms are the only sign of transformation. Tiny, uniform, lifeless, yet brimming with potential. Soon they will stretch, expand, and take the shape we recognize as the everyday water bottle, the product of precision and relentless control. Preforms are transported to the blow molding machines. Here, they are heated again, precisely to a temperature where plastic becomes pliable but does not melt. Compressed air is introduced. The preforms stretch, expand, and take their final form. Cylindrical walls are thin, shoulders curve, necks tighten. The once rigid plastic becomes a perfect container. Sensors measure pressure and thickness. Cameras capture each movement. Every bottle must match exact specifications. Even the slightest irregularity can trigger alarms, halt production, or send a batch to waste. From preform to full bottle, the process is both industrial and delicate, controlled chaos harnessed into perfection. No bottle leaves unchecked. High-speed cameras scan for cracks, bubbles, uneven walls, or any contamination. Workers monitor screens, analyzing images in real time. Lines can stop instantly if flaws are detected. Even in a high-speed automated system, human oversight remains crucial. Machines can measure, but humans judge. A hand may reach for a defective bottle, remove it, and prevent hundreds of defective units from progressing. Uniformity here ensures reliability later, preventing leaks, weak points, or failure in the hands of consumers. Some bottles receive branding before leaving the line. Labels are applied with absolute precision, perfectly aligned, colors consistent, edges sharp. Machines print barcodes, expiration dates, and product information directly onto the bottle's surface, each character crisp and clear. The soft whir of rollers and the rhythmic clatter of conveyors fill the air as the bottles move steadily along the line. The process is automated but deliberate. Misaligned labels, smudged text, or any imperfection are immediately rejected. Every bottle is held to the same exacting standard. Even the smallest deviation is unacceptable, a flaw that could disrupt the system further downstream. At this stage, bottles begin to resemble the products we recognize. They have emerged from raw plastic to consumer-ready objects. Their journey through heat, pressure, and precision nearly complete, waiting only for packaging and distribution to reach our hands. Bottles move to packaging lines. Robotic arms carefully arrange them into trays or shrink-wrapped packs. Automation ensures exact counts and alignment. Any deviation triggers alarms. Sensors scan every layer. The rhythm of the conveyors, the hum of motors, and the subtle whir of arms moving pallets create a symphony of industrial efficiency. Workers walk along the lines, observing, adjusting, ensuring nothing slows down the process. Humans and machines operate together in precise choreography. Once packaged, bottles are palletized. Robotic lifts stack trays onto pallets. Stretch wrap encases each stack, stabilizing it for shipping. Forklifts transport the finished pallets to storage bays. Trucks wait to take the pallets to distribution centers, retail stores, vending machines, and homes. Millions of bottles leave the factory every day, each one identical, each one crafted to meet exact specifications. The speed is staggering. The scale is immense. The precision is relentless. Outside, a bottle appears simple, clear, ordinary, ready to hold water. Inside the factory, it is the product of hours of precision. Machines measure and adjust. Sensors calculate and respond. Workers monitor and intervene. Every bottle is born of industrial choreography, invisible to anyone holding the final product. The line never truly stops. As one batch finishes, the next begins. Pellets pour, machines heat, air compresses, bottles form. Continuity is absolute. The factory breathes as a single organism. Efficiency drives every decision. Speed is balanced by quality. Millions of identical bottles emerge, silent, perfect, unbroken. Modern factories maintain strict environmental controls. Temperature, humidity, and ventilation are monitored to ensure material integrity and worker safety. Waste is managed, filtered, and reused wherever possible. Rejected bottles are recycled back into the system, melted and reshaped. Even failure is accounted for, turned back into potential. Workers wear protective gear. Gloves, goggles, and masks are standard. Safety rules are not suggestions, they are enforced. The factory is a blend of mechanical precision and human oversight, a system designed to produce without pause or compromise. At the end of the line, bottles are perfect. Smooth, clear, uniform, ready to be filled, ready to be capped, ready to travel across the country. What seems ordinary is actually the product of industrial mastery. A journey from resin pellet to finished container, orchestrated by machines, guided by humans, measured down to fractions of a millimeter. Every bottle carries the mark of this process. Speed, control, and precision are visible only to those who know where to look. For the consumer, it is effortless, simple, reliable. Next time you hold a water bottle, think of the journey it took to get there. From raw resin to molten preform, from precise heating to blow molding, from inspection to labeling and packaging. The process is meticulous, continuous, and invisible. The bottle is more than plastic. It is a symbol of industrial precision, a testament to scale, speed, and control. Millions emerge every day, identical yet unique in their journey through the factory. Machines continue to hum. Lines continue to move. Workers watch, guide, and intervene. Efficiency, scale, and perfection converge in this silent rhythm. Factories like this exist not for spectacle, but for reliability, for consistency, for predictability. Every bottle leaving the line is perfect, not by chance, but by design. The system never rests. As one batch finishes, the next begins. The hum of machinery, the movement of conveyors, the rhythm of air and heat, all continue without pause. What seems ordinary is extraordinary. What seems simple is the result of orchestration, control, and precision. Millions of bottles are made every single day. Millions more are already in production. And behind every bottle, the hidden world of the factory continues, endlessly, invisibly, silently, ensuring that what reaches your hand is always exactly what it is meant to be.